So kakak understand all the question from RBT exam.
Pepper Morgan.
Okay, mommy want to know how come you get A for RBT?
I don't know. Because I study
Yeah, you study and then
and I like study RBT for like 2 times.
yeah, because you love RBT also, right?
Huh?
You love or not?
I don't not much.
Not much.
It's a bit boring.
But a bit boring. But every
But the fun
single
part about RBT is hanging out with friends and going like to our
yeah,
friends'
RBT
houses.
project make you fun.
Yeah, that's the most fun part. Later we can go hang out. This question was the easiest question ever. Last questions are supposed to be very hard, but I don't know why it's so easy. This one, oh, that was the easiest.
Easy.
Oh my God,
You love
this
RBT,
page-
darling.
But
not
you
sure.
know, this page literally, like almost all the page she could click. The way this
Wah,
one,
adik also. Congratulations for kakak.
I don't have C.
Yeah, adik also.
Does she have C?
But you already give to teacher, yeah?
Yeah.
You already give to teacher the
have a science-
exam
But I
paper.
have a science exam.
So
How
your
to
exam
read
paper
this?
only A and B, no C, adik.
Mommy, this is my best page.
Oh yeah.
Some of the students in my class got wrong. The teacher already told us like 2 times. Or is it 1,000 times? So this one I for sure remember. This was the easiest one.
Good job, congratulations. You
And this
understand?
is the simplest questions actually.
Okay.
But I was dumb enough to just get 0 on this.
Okay, I give you 10 minutes for reading, for digest your food before
Yesterday I
sleep.
already read Chinese, so please can you read it?
Okay, okay. Ah, pretty girl. Congratulations for adik also.
She saved me to go to a hotel. Yay.
Wow, we jumps in.
You can take the example. The king means like the first person in the country, the very
Not
first
the
person.
very first person. The very first person who controlled the country.
So how to make the?
You want to be a king? You need to make your own country.
I have to make my own.
Then you can be a king. Now, with the current countries, you cannot be a king.
So I have to make my own country.
And then you're a girl, you cannot be king. You can only be queen.
Can Queen get everything clear?
Does the queen have a phone?
Yes.
Tablet?
Yes.
Computer?
Everything,
Does it
everything
even have
have.
study?
Everything have the queen.
But
Queen is
But
richest
is there
people.
like a princess school?
Yeah. They normally have princess school, special
Just
princess
like
school.
Sophia?
Actually, what you watch,
Actually
that's
have.
like almost same.
Like in the UK, all the princess and prince, they go to different school. They have their own school.
Bro! So the Princess Sophia is almost the same, right?
Yes, almost same.
So Princess Sophia and her mom is actually living in the village, and there's a castle near the village. And then the king really loved Princess Sophia's mom. If the king is an only, like only the king, he have to find the new queen. And if he really
Yeah.
loved the,
let's read some over there. Oh,
and if the king really loved the girl,
Huh? What we have? Yeah, we are looking at it. Okay.
whatever girl, even though it's a mom with a child already, but the king have to find a mother and a child without their dad. Something like that, right?
Maybe.
So a bit of princessy knowledge from Sophia the First is almost the same, like how is the process to get a princess or queen or king or prince,
Yeah.
like that.
To become clever, gorgeous, and then you make sure the king's son attracted to you. And then you can become the princess to the
Princess.
prince, and then the prince become the king, you become the queen.
That's correct, exactly.
Yeah, actually I know that.
Ah.
First, when the prince is searching for a girlfriend,
Mm-mm.
something like that,
Ah.
you have to be like smart. gorgeous.
Yes.
Until if the prince like really likes.
Falling in love.
And later the prince will ask its father, that is the king, and then later the king will send the knights to go find that girl, and then later the prince will be asking the girl if he can marry her, because he keep hearing the girl's stories about herself, about her personality and stuff.
But you don't become a clever girl, gorgeous and clever.
No.
Don't think about it. Don't it?
Don't think
The
about.
prince will see. No.
No.
They have. He can choose what
You
he
should be see the King
So that's
Castle
why-
family in Malaysia. How they so
Yeah,
gorgeous.
I kind of
How
saw the
they-
king in one of the videos. Every single time when we want to sing the national anthem, anthem means song,
Yeah.
but only like for like the national songs like that.
And then
In one of the song, my school usually open the song anthem, and then they like have a video like MV, and it's like about the country, about the king. Like some people video the king and put it like usually the ones who like make the news and stuff, like anything new, they would like vlog sometimes the king if the king is the one who control that type of
and then
thing.
you saw they so
Yeah.
gorgeous. Yeah, because
saw the
princess.
I also saw the prince. There's only a prince. Where? There's no princess. The prince haven't.
I saw the video about the castle of Malaysia.
Yeah, I actually saw. I saw, but only a little bit about it. There's like you know, some Muslim houses actually have like a picture frame, but it's not with a picture photo like that. No, it's with like an Al-Quran sentence like that, something like that, right?
Why is it so empty?
Yeah. Why is it so empty?
We can park anywhere we want. Right? But mommy.
But what if there's a king and a queen, and then the king have to go somewhere, and then the king died, so the
Okay.
queen have to find a new king, or what?
Oh, later. Now go to volcano first. Hi, darling. Turn. You so pretty. Turn, Raisha. Turn, last shot. Okay, stand up. Oh, so pretty.
Give me that.
Raisha favorite. Hi, darling. Cooking. Okay, Papi, now choose whatever you want. Mommy want cooking. We are going to the petrol station first before go to the ICT mall. Like usually guys, my husband after Buffett shabu-shabu at the volcano, still finding the other restaurant, and then oh yeah, new cafe, and then he bring us to the ICT mall for pastry because Raisha want and Raina want eat the pastry ya, kue mui.
Is there any kue over there?
Don't know. Pastry different gak ka Western. You always thinking at everything at the same time. The kitchen also different, the menu and ingredients. Hai darling. Ada yang udah mabok, tinggal lihat darling. She looks so sleepy. Okay, you better sleep first, Raina. So fresh later.
No.
Ah, you look sleepy.
No.
My handsome boy.
Not that big carpet, but there's traffic.
In 200 meters.
Kakak. Pretty girl. Kakak. Kakak. Kakak, look at mommy. Hi sayang. Where are we going? Finding the pastry too? Yeah. Go. Pastry shop. Adiknya selalu dipegang. Raisya itu sayang banget sama adiknya. Takut adiknya hilang kalau lagi di keramaian. Sinilah,
Ini ya.
sini aja. Papi,
Look around first. Kakak, look around first. Then you choose. Oh. Okay, then.
The addict let me know.
what?
Since we came here, the very first song until right now, we still know all these songs.
Oh, the K-pop song.
One of them is from K-pop Music Conference.
Papi always take care of the kids like perfectly. He slicing for kids. Tuan, sayang sangat ya sama anaknya. Dari by this is big, really big. Chocolate, apalah, chocolate bun, and then cheesy,
How about this one? And
mochi. Second round for find the mochi. She want mochi also. How the taste?
it's good.
Good. Not bad. Yeah. The pastry shop like some finish ya kaya. We didn't find the type of pastry yang ada di iklan tuh. Tahu kak? The taste yum ya.